Hi guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be another haul video, and this haul is from Stylekorean. So if you want to see what's in my haul, then please keep on watching. Stylekorean is a website where you can purchase Korean skincare and cosmetics, and they ship straight from Korea. They have 100 brands in their website, and they ship internationally. For you to qualify for free shipping, you have to purchase $100, and $100 is too much if you will be purchasing it for your own personal consumption. I think that's too much. So what we usually do is we purchase collectively. I purchase it with my friends so we can share the $100 and qualify for the free shipping. So if you want to check out the Stylekorean website, I will link it down below so that you can see what Korean items you can purchase. And actually they have an ongoing Black Friday sale, so you might want to take advantage of their current sale because the prices are really cheap. And one thing is that since they ship internationally, you don't have to worry waiting for the brands to be sold by resellers, because if you purchase the Korean items from resellers, it gets a little more expensive. So check out the offers. And this is not a sponsored video, okay? So I bought everything with my own money, and I will also post the prices for each item that I bought. So let's start with the haul. So the first item in my haul is going to be this Etude House Silk Scarf Hair Treatment. And this tube is 200 ml. So this is actually the first time that I have tried this hair treatment. I'm not sure if what type of this, but I use it like a conditioner. I use it twice a week. Since I have purchased these items last month, and the last set of items came just a few days prior to me making this video. So this is the time I decided to make this collective haul. So that's my first item. The next item is from the same brand, and this is the Wonder Pore 10-in-1 Pore Solution. So this actually is my second bottle. I have tried this in 2016 and I have loved it. And it's a little too expensive. That's why this is the only time that I got to purchase this, because it's way cheaper than when I bought it. Because I bought it before from the sister of my colleague. So the next item in our haul is this kit. And this is the Laneige Water Bank Hydro Kit. And inside this kit are 3 items. The first item is this Water Bank Hydro Gel Cream. So it's not focusing. Hydro Gel Cream, and it's 10 ml. The next item is this Water Bank Hydro Essence. And the last item is this Water Bank Eye Gel, and this one is 3 ml, and I forgot to tell you this other one is 10 ml. So 2 items are 10 ml and the eye cream is 3 ml. So I think it's worth it for its price, because you would get to try these first, because skincare is really a trial and error. You have to find what skincare product really works for you before you purchase the full amount. And I really appreciate them having these tiny packaging, because you will get to try it first before buying it in the full size, which is very dissatisfying if it's not working on your skin. So I think this is not working for me, because I've tried it last month and I have developed these bumps, so I'm trying to figure out where it came from. So tip for those who are starting with Korean skincare: make sure you incorporate the skincare one by one, so you know which works for you and which is not working. And make sure you do not buy the full size, because what if it doesn't work? Then you just wasted your money. So that's that. And the next item would be this Mediheal White Hydrating Black Mask. And this actually is a box of 10. But I shared it with a friend. So I got 5. I already have used the other one. And they said that charcoal is good for oily skin. So that's why I tried this mask. And I have heard so many good things about Mediheal masks. So I tried it for myself. So I will let you know how this performs in my oily skin. So the next item would be this Tonymoly Delight Tony Tint. So this is in shade number 1, and this is, I swatched it in the back of my hand. So I haven't used this yet. I have been swatching it. I swatched it actually for 3 times, but I haven't tried it in my lips yet. So I have a ton of lip tints to consume first, because for makeup, once you open it, it starts the shelf life. You see there's I think on the back or in the packaging, you'll see that there is a small tub that has a number like 12M, 6M. That means that's the shelf life. Once you've opened it, you only have 6 months to consume it. So don't use expired makeup because that's bad for your skin. So the last item in this haul is another one from Etude House. And this is the Etude House All Day Perfect Any Cushion. And this is in the shade Tan. I'm not sure what the number is, but for this cushion, they have shades. I think there are 5 shades. So this cushion, I hope, is not too white for my skin, because Asian skins are a little on the yellow side. So it's really hard to find cushion, because the Koreans, most of them are fair skin. So most of the shades, they just end in the shade 23, and it's still white for Asian skins. So that is my haul for today, and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have questions or if you have video suggestions. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!